almost as much fun as New Year's Eve in the orange groves.
Well, we did get a mite carried away. I say, look out there across the water. Be a little bit of company.
Now, yes. Welcome, you all.
Permit us to introduce ourselves. My name is Claude, and my loquacious cousin over here is...
I'll introduce myself, if you don't mind. Hi there. I'm, well, let's see now. It's right on the tip of my beak.
Clyde Birdbrain.
Oh, yeah. I'm Clyde Birdbrain.
No, I say, perhaps you good people have never conversed with toucan birds before.
Well, neither did we. Till one day we discovered this magic sunshine pavilion.
By Jove, yes. I remember just how it happened. Many bird baths ago. There we were in an explorer's launch on a mysterious river in deepest Adventureland. Off in the distance comes the fierce roar of an African lion. And as we round a bend in the river, a huge bull elephant bellows forth in protest of our intrusion. Suddenly, the treetops explode in a frenzy of outraged birds. Oh, come, you can jolly well do better than that.
I can jolly well do one at a time.
Meanwhile, shifty-eyed crocodiles lurk by the water's edge. Lurk, lurk, lurk. And the giant python slithers down from an overhanging limb. What's happened? What's wrong?
I can't stand snakes.
Don't be ridiculous. I'm only relating a story. Oh, my Clyde, enough is enough.
That wasn't me. I never even opened my beak.
Huh?
I'm sorry, friends, out with me. I think we're on to an exciting story, so they're calling us in for the show.
My sakes, it's already showtime.
Land sakes, yes, it's already showtime. And Claude, I do believe it's your turn to make that next announcement, righto?
Righto. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, gather up all your cameras, purses, and other articles, and now turn to your left towards the tall door.
When the drums begin, they'll open magically to lead you right into the Sunshine Pavilion. Is everybody ready?
I can't hear you. Is everybody ready?
Have a good show. A real tropical serenade.
Alrighty, my friends, we do just ask you, please wait behind that roped off line until our customer comes and opens the door for you. My